Hello, on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G we can find two messages apps. The first one is located over here in the app drawer by default, of course, and the second one can be found in the Samsung folder over here. They are pretty much the same thing, however the difference between them is that this one is created by Google. You can of course recognize this by the Google logo in the top left corner, and the second one that we have in the Samsung folder is created by Samsung. If you are wondering which one to choose, which one you should use, it's really up to personal preference. They work pretty much the same way. You can do pretty much the same stuff in both apps. However, there is a pretty significant difference between these two apps, and that is in the Samsung Messages apps, you can actually restore deleted messages. So if you tend to delete messages, and just in case, if you want to have extra 30 days to recover those messages, then it is recommended to use this one instead. You can tap on these three dots in order to find the trash, and here everything that that was removed in the last 30 days can be found in the messages trash section. And the Google Messages app doesn't have that option. Once you delete a message, it is gone forever. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!